Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sridhi. Today I got my first PR from GIVA. So it's the second PR. The first is from Swiss Beauty and this is from GIVA. So let's see what's inside. I'm very excited. So cute. Wow. It's an anklet. Actually, I got two. Wow, really. I'm in love with the chains. This is so good, guys. Like, what the heck? What the heck I got? Really? PRs from GIVA? Really? Wow. And they also have this. Hello, you're a gem. Now go sparkle the world with GIVA. And a warranty card. That's it, guys. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.